Welcome to Never Done Projects,
Randy Hutchins
where we are just
in
a
his
silly little YouTube channel.
1993 Chevy Camaro Z20.
Remember to like, subscribe, comment, and consider joining the
Yeah,
member
earlier
on
we
the
had
wall
Randy Hutchins Jr. Now we got Randy Hutchins the third.
for only $4.99 a month.
Last time on Never Done Projects.
Yep, here goes nothing, everybody.
This is Dad's favorite part. Little Miss Impatient over there. Oh, that's really gonna pop.
Is there a difference?
Do not put it in there. You're gonna get black paint on the orange letter. I paid extra for it to be orange. I paid extra for it orange. No. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. Bad boy. I will turn this car around. No. No. Put it back. Keep crying. I'm gonna give you something to cry about, boy.
Well, good morning, everybody. Here at Never Done Projects, we are just a silly little YouTube channel. Today is Friday, May 15th, 2026. What I got on my agenda today is kind of chilly out there. I hadn't even checked the weather. I'm hoping it's going to be good, nice day. I have no idea. I haven't looked. It feels like chilly and might be rain coming in. I don't know. But anyway, what I got to do today is I'm going to make me a town run. It's laundry day. And I'll leave there and go pick up my mower. I need to mow out here. I need to check the tire. The tire's going down. And I need to sharpen the blades. So I need to go get my mower. Get it back here. Guy's supposed to be here to put 2 tires on his truck. We've ordered them. They're down there. He should be here somewhere around 11:30, quarter to 12. So hopefully he'll get here. I've actually got to run him back to his work, but that's fine. But he'll get here, and hopefully by the time I get him back to work and then get back here, maybe Randy will be here, and we'll put them tires on, and then I'd like to go get the skid steer. I texted the guy yesterday and he said that wasn't nobody using it. So I'd like to go get it. I know I didn't want to get the skid steer until I got the sign put up, but it might come in handy. I don't know. So I was going to go ahead and see if he didn't mind us getting it, and maybe I can do some stuff. It won't take us long now that we got on the thing. I believe we're going to get some threaded rod and we're going to run it all the way through the block to hold the sign. So I do have to stop and get that. Probably get that sometime today. But anyway, go get the skid steer sign. I'd like to work on the NDP sign to get it, or Never Done Project sign. I just abbreviated it. I'd like to at least get Never up today and get the platform built and painted for done, and then maybe we can get it up, maybe get done up tomorrow. I don't know. Tomorrow's gonna be hectic day too. But anyway, we'll figure it out. We always do. And then the live and the video. I'm sorry. That's pretty much going to be a full field day. So that's what I got on plans. I'm going to jump off here, go out here and get everything hooked up, get ready to go. Remember, you got 1,440 minutes in every day goals to be happy, be safe, do something today you can smile about tomorrow. Thank you, Nickel Pony. I do appreciate it. I told Randy didn't know I was going to check on the skid steer, and I told Randy that got skid steer, going to try to go get it today. He said, today's Friday, I'm not getting off early and I'm not cutting no damn trees. Last time we got a skid steer, we both got off early that day. And, well, actually I had to work, and I normally don't work on Fridays, but we got off about the same time. We were both in High Point when we got off. We got back here within 15, 20 minutes of each other. And then we thought we was in for a good week because I had the whole week off. And we really thought we was in for a good week, and then that happened. So anyway, he said he wasn't getting off early and he wasn't cutting any trees. But anyway, y'all have a good day, good night whenever you're watching this, and remember, everybody, keep it silly. Thank y'all. Well, good morning, everybody. Little change in plans. I was going to take the trailer and go get my lawnmower, but the paint had not dried on this, and when I went to move it, I got paint on my hands. So I just went and made my town run, got the dog food, come back. Feels a little dry enough now that I'm gonna see if I got another idea. You know me, while I'm thinking, sitting around doing nothing, I get to thinking. So I got another idea I'm gonna try right quick while I try to put the numbers on. The letters. So y'all just hang tight and see what we can do. Guess what? Still not dry. Randy be mad. He said I get stuff on these letters. Don't tell him. Thought for sure it was enough. But guess what? It ain't. Damn it. I guess sun's got to bake on it a little bit more. Well, crap. I really thought I could get started. Oh yeah, Lord. Let's stop that. Boy, he will have a fit. All right, I'll go to plan B. Be right back. All right, everybody. We're gonna see if we can put the sign together. I was messing with it, didn't have the camera on, and wouldn't you know, I broke a damn letter.
What letter did you break?
V.
God almighty. You didn't just break it.
What the fuck you call it?
You snapped that
That
bastard.
motherfucker broke.
Well, it can't go out.
That's right. I mean, once you put
I
I need
deal
you
with
over there.
God dang. This is why we can't have nothing nice. Listen, do me a favor, don't break another one.
Listen here, jackass. I promise you, you ain't no madder than I am.
You ain't even mad. I'm just disappointed.
Well, I am. It fucking pisses me off.
Language. You got the
Edit
screws
it.
and all?
What?
You got the screws and all?
Screws are still here, but those are in there. But I do believe that'll look good. You know that jackass would start over there since I'm over here.
So I need to go over there to you instead of you coming over here to me. Now listen, whatever you do, I'm gonna need you to just not screw it up.
I'm not blowing away.
These aren't the same screws. Oh, they're over there underneath. Should have known you hiding the daggum things.
No, I had them over there where we should have started. You start left to right.
This is left.
No, it ain't. This is how you read it. You start left to right.
Listen, whenever you have to change the way you're doing it to try to prove a point.
I'm not. I started left to right. That's the way you read it. Guess I could fire up the leaf blower and blow it off so it don't go back on it. I mean, oh, they give me a head rub.
guess when we stand it up, it's gonna fall down. Wind will blow it out, I guess.
Well, it's gonna be a pain in the butt to keep clean when pollen comes back.
Man, let's turn y'all around. I want y'all to see this. I think it looks good. I love it when the plan comes together. What y'all think? I hope I got that centered right so y'all can see. Thank y'all.
Thank you for watching our video. We hope to see you tomorrow for another episode of Never Done Projects. Remember to like, subscribe, comment, and share with a friend. And tell them if these idiots can do it, we can too.